I talked to the lieutenant from Animal Control, and like I said, she's bringing out the Riverside County Sheriff's Department with her on Thanksgiving Day. I know. So they're coming out on Thanksgiving Day, and so I asked her. I said, "What turkeys?" I said, "What's the whole deal with what's going on?" And so she shared something with me, and this is for you, Bunny and Sasha and Amanda. They're telling me everything. So now what they're saying is that they want Animal Control to come in here and take all these animals, and I mean every animal, and they want them euthanized. They don't want these animals in my care anymore.